In Scream, you know those super immersive sound effects that hit hard? In the scene where Tatum Riley gets crushed by the garage door, her screams get layered with exaggerated bone-crunching sounds. Those crunches come from snapping celery stalks. This trick is super common in horror films. Foley artists create scary effects with everyday stuff. When zombies bite into flesh, you hear that ripping gore. It's usually a tomato being crushed. Every normal object can turn terrifying in their hands. Pulling out intestines? That's a raw turkey getting twisted and rubbed. A skull cracking? Just a green bell pepper being smashed? Wet guts dropping to the ground? That's a soaked rag slapping down. These all come from sounds you hear in daily life. A dog chewing on a bone, an old football glove, or a bowl of crushed watermelon, Any guesses what those mimic? And sometimes the Foley artists themselves make creepy noises with their mouths. Sounding scary for horror movies is actually pretty simple, right?